Greetings! Today's vector is made by Jeff Bezos photo. Please write in comments if it is necessary to show the process of vectorization. In this work, I used a brush with middle opacity and different color markers to make the picture more expressionist. So you see, the painting is going to be positive. The whole process was absolutely like with Elon Musk work. I will put the link to the right upper corner. Here we go. Avistin was with you. Adieu.